Hello, I'm Brendan Pierce with the Pierce Group, Keller Williams Shore Properties. Welcome to our newest listing in Ocean Beach Surf Club Unit 1. This is a spectacular oceanfront, front row, people, right on the dunes. There's fantastic amenities with Ocean Beach. You have a great beach, you have a great bay beach, you have boating, you have a private marina. There's a lot to do here, and you're seconds away from Lavallette. It's downtown, lots of shopping, lots of restaurants. Let's take a look. This home is being sold completely turnkey down to the serviceware. All you need to do is bring your suitcase and enjoy. When you walk in the front door, you're met with a reverse living concept. The lower level consists of 3 bedrooms and a full bath, plus a summer kitchenette. The second level is the main living level with 1 master suite, another full bath, and a kitchen living dining concept. This is a spectacular vista. You see everything from these windows. The views are spectacular, 180-degree views of the Atlantic. You just won't find a better front row seat than this. This home also comes fully equipped with a beautiful rooftop deck with 360-degree views of the ocean and bay. What a beautiful place to relax at the end of the day or have a cup of coffee in the morning. You just can't beat being on a roof deck on the ocean front.